welcome back to Healthy Living Homestead. If you're new to our channel, I'm Tiffany, and that's my husband Jake over there. I just wanted to give you guys a little update on what we're doing back here in our garden. This is along our whole barn. Jake rototilled all of that a few times, and he's putting in a bunch of rows of plants, and I just set up all the hosing systems, and I just put in this whole poultry fence around the garden. Okay, so that's all done right there. I got this fence over here. This is our garden area. This is our full sun garden area. We have a lot of other little areas that we're planting in as well. How's it going?
Good.
So Jake's putting all these stakes in. What are your measurements?
These are 3-foot rows, and that's for tomatoes. You could do them a little closer, but
How long are these stakes?
probably 2 foot.
And then he left some room on them to know right what they are. Red potatoes. So
Put lines you can water just over the rows.
Yep.
When you water just over the rows, then you don't have to water the weeds through the center there. So you put lines, and if it's dry out, you just hit the rows, and then you don't have to worry about weeding much. Then if it gets raining a lot, we're going to run rototillers through the center. The spacing probably looks big, but the tomatoes get surprisingly large. It's probably a little large of spacing for the potatoes,
but we have a really huge area right here, and we're going to just utilize it. And doing it larger and spacing things out more is going to keep it a little easier for us to maintain and keep it organized.
you'll get better yield too. If you space them too close, you don't get as much fruit. You get a lot of greenery, but not as much fruit. So, and we're gonna do the cucumbers and squash and stuff like that, 6-foot rows and 6 foot apart, because those grow very large.
Are you starting those ones with lines as well?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Until everything grows up to where we can see it. So now we will just know to water directly under these lines in these rows and not anything in between them. And then, I don't know if you heard him or not, I don't have his microphone on, but he's gonna rototill between these lines to keep them weeded. So. Dad's gonna go get a surprise for you.
Sing it.
What, Boo Boo didn't tell you? It's a different one!
I asked Mom when we got a puppy, and we did.
There it is.
What's his name?
It's a girl.
It's a girl.
It's a girl.
And we're doing a vote how to name her.
We didn't name her yet.
We've been calling her dog.
Mom, I asked you if it was a dog. Oh my God.
I couldn't tell you.
She's in her crazy play.
Put her down.
She's in her crazy play mode. Ready? She will chase you. Daddy, so you said that we could keep it? Ready?
Yeah.
Yay! Ready? What breed is she? Ready?
She's a Corgi Lab.
Ow!
Looks so pretty. We got some more rows planted. So this is all mammoth beets over here, red potatoes, more red potatoes, tomatoes, potatoes, tomatoes, tomatoes, peppers, probably potatoes at the end. This is a row of peppers, squash, cabbage, Melons will go here, I believe. And then sweet potatoes. So we got these nice little sweet potato plants. Those will be yummy. That's our first time doing sweet potatoes. And then over here on this little trellis, we've got sugar snap peas. That'll climb up that. So, yummy. I hope your gardening is going well. Thanks for tuning in. We'll give you an update when things start growing.